Chilly night? No problem. This creamy Parmesan Italian sausage Ditalini soup has got you covered. Start by cooking 1 pound of Italian sausage in a large pot over medium heat. Break it into crumbles as it cooks. Once browned, remove any excess grease. Next, sauté 1 diced onion for about 3-4 minutes until softened. Add 3 minced garlic cloves and cook for another minute. Now, let's build that savory base. Stir in 4 cups of chicken broth, a can of diced tomatoes, a teaspoon each of dried basil and oregano, and a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes. Bring it to a gentle boil. Add 1 cup of Ditalini pasta and reduce the heat to a simmer. Cook for 8-10 minutes until the pasta is tender. Finally, stir in 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Let it simmer until the cheese melts and the soup is creamy. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Ladle your delicious soup into bowls, garnish with fresh parsley or basil, and serve warm with crusty bread. Enjoy the cozy comfort of this hearty meal.